Hi there, Zach Driver from Kia Westchester. I'm standing here at the wholesale lot to answer a few questions, what a wholesale vehicle is and what its benefit is to you. These are some of our wholesale vehicles. They have not passed our inspection to go out on our pre-owned lot. They may be high mileage vehicles, they may have some exterior damage. Either way, they're still solid, reliable vehicles that can be sold as is or repaired if you do so choose. Here we have a 2005 Kia Sorento. It has high miles, no engine issues, no suspension issues. It's a good, solid car. However, because of its high mileage, we won't be putting it out on our main lot. I'm sure you can see the benefit. It might last you another 2 or 3 years before you start having any issues with it. Typically, these vehicles we're going to offer for under $10,000. We're not going to go over them. Most of our wholesale vehicles will be under actually $7,000. So banks don't make financing loans under $7,000. So typically we'll let this go for something like cash with a trade-in, all things considered. I'm sure you can see the benefit in putting out $4,000 or $5,000 cash. Maybe you just need something to get around town, something to get you to work. Cobalt has a few issues, has some body damage here. A little high miles, it's the only issues wrong with the car. But it's just not worth it to us to fix the body damage and then put it out on our main lot. So we offer it to you as a wholesale customer, as is, or fix the damage if you feel it's worth it to you. So today, we took a look at a few wholesale vehicles. We explained what a wholesale vehicle is, and we showed how it can benefit you. If you're interested in one of our wholesale vehicles, give us a call, 610-429-3500. Visit us on the web, www.kiawestchester.com, or stop on in Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 8, and Saturdays from 8 to 6. Ask for Zach Driver. I'll be more than happy to help you out.